2025 Toyota GR Supra Premium 3.0 liter boasts an aggressive and aerodynamic silhouette with a double bubble roof, large air intakes, and LED lighting front and rear. Brought to you by Desert Toyota. Striking 19-inch forged aluminum wheels and a functional rear spoiler enhance both style and downforce, giving it a true race-inspired look. The sculpted body lines and wide stance leave no doubt about its performance intent. Under the hood, the 3-liter twin-scroll turbocharged inline-6 delivers 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque, paired with either a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic or a thrilling 6-speed manual. Rear-wheel drive, an adaptive variable suspension, and a near-perfect weight balance offer razor-sharp handling and an exhilarating driving experience, whether on the track or back roads. The 2025 GR Supra Premium 3.0 liter remains a focused 2-seater sports coupe, meaning there are no rear seats. This design choice maximizes performance, reduces weight, and enhances structural rigidity, all while providing generous cargo space for a sports car. Inside, the GR Supra Premium features a refined cabin with leather-trimmed sport seats, aluminum scuff plates, and carbon fiber accents. The driver-focused cockpit includes an 8.8-inch digital gauge cluster and a central touchscreen angled toward the driver for intuitive control. Heated seats and dual-zone climate control add comfort to the high-performance ride. Toyota equips the GR Supra Premium with advanced safety features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control. Parking sensors and a rear-view camera offer added peace of mind in tight spots. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the 8.8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay compatibility, and a premium 12-speaker JBL audio system. Wireless smartphone charging and a head-up display keep you connected and informed without distraction.
So I was like, if I send that one in, they're going to cancel the whole thing. No, that's tough. What's that?
Keyless entry with push-button start, automatic high beams, rain-sensing wipers, and auto-dimming mirrors contribute to everyday usability. The hatchback trunk design and 10.2 cubic feet of cargo space make it surprisingly practical for weekend getaways. The 2025 Toyota GR Supra Premium blends thrilling performance with everyday refinement. With sharp looks, a powerful turbo inline-6, cutting-edge tech, and driver-focused features, it's a true enthusiast sports car built for the road and the racetrack. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com, give us a call at 520-585-5413, or visit our showroom today.